This is VULTURE, a tethered unmanned aerial system built for maritime operations, providing operators with persistent situational awareness and over-the-horizon command and control. The tether supplies secure communications and continuous power, enabling the UAS to operate as a temporary elevated communications mast for hours, days, or weeks at a time. VULTURE's internal components are housed inside a Tricon refrigerated container system, while the aircraft itself is stored in a dedicated UAV hangar. The Tricon container provides a climate-controlled environment that helps regulate temperature and maintain optimal operating conditions for the system's electronics and power components, while the UAV hangar protects the aircraft from environmental exposure when not in use, keeping the system ready for deployment. A built-in mechanical lift raises the aircraft from the hangar, allowing operators to engage and deploy the system with the press of a button. Once deployed, VULTURE establishes a persistent elevated communications node, extending connectivity to assets operating beyond normal line of sight. By elevating radios above sea clutter, VULTURE expands the radio horizon and enables reliable command and control and data relay between distributed forces. The system is payload agnostic and can carry mission payloads up to 15 pounds, allowing operators to integrate a wide range of sensors depending on mission requirements. Typical ISR configurations include electro-optical and infrared cameras, such as the Trillium HD40 and HD80 series, providing stabilized high-resolution imagery during day or night operations. These ISR capabilities, combined with VULTURE's ability to rapidly deploy, optimize anti-piracy response for offshore platforms and commercial vessels. At the first sign of a threat, VULTURE quickly elevates EO/IR sensors up to 500 feet, enabling crews to recognize and identify approaching vessels, allowing more time to make informed decisions. These same capabilities extend to port security operations. Elevated EO/IR sensors combined with AI-assisted anomaly detection enable operators to recognize and identify incoming vessels while maintaining persistent awareness of activity throughout the harbor. VULTURE has undergone rigorous testing to ensure reliable performance in challenging maritime conditions, including on-the-move capability at speeds up to 35 knots, operation in harsh weather such as rain, and stable takeoff and landing while the vessel is experiencing dynamic motion at sea. VULTURE also supports position offset operations, allowing the aircraft to maintain a controlled distance from the host vessel. Rather than remaining directly above the ship, the UAV can hold an offset position. This helps maintain safe separation between the aircraft, tether, and ship superstructure during flight operations. For scenarios where GPS signals are denied, VULTURE can continue operating using its tether vector system, allowing the aircraft to maintain position relative to the host vessel without relying on satellite navigation. With these capabilities, VULTURE provides a rugged and reliable solution for persistent maritime surveillance and communications extension beyond the horizon.